Hey, XRP Army, Jeff here, your dedicated crypto navigator, delivering cutting-edge insights on the blockchain frontier. On this November 3rd, 2025, the Federal Reserve has just unleashed a staggering $29.4 billion in overnight liquidity, and the XRP community is absolutely electric with speculation. While broader markets jitter over corrections, this stealth QE injection is priming assets like XRP, currently steady at $2.30, for a potential massive uplift in cross-border efficiency and adoption. This isn't mere hype, it's a fundamental shift that could redefine global payments. Stay with me through to the end for insider breakdowns and predictions you won't find elsewhere. If this grabs you from the jump, hit that like button now, comment XRP breakout incoming to fuel the discussion, subscribe for more exclusive alpha, and share this with your network. Let's push this viral together. Let's set the foundation quick because in crypto, understanding the roots amplifies the opportunities. XRP was engineered to tackle the inefficiencies of traditional finance. Think SWIFT's multi-day settlements and hefty fees eating into trillions of dollars in cross-border flows. Through Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, XRP enables near-instant transfers at fractions of a cent, already powering over 300 financial institutions like Santander and SBI Holdings. We've overcome major hurdles, including the SEC resolution that granted clear, non-security status for secondary market XRP. Now, with this FED liquidity surge, effectively easing short-term funding pressures, banks and institutions are incentivized to lean into innovative solutions. As that one crypto bandit highlighted on X today, XRP holders rejoice as Fed injects $29.4 billion overnight. This liquidity surge was bigger than any in the crypto world since the dot-com bubble and triggered speculation about it throughout the crypto world on what it could mean next to XRP spot on. The community is buzzing and for good reason. But let's address the current dip. XRP pulled back about 4% to $2.30 amid market-wide volatility, with Bitcoin slipping below $108,000 and over $400 million in liquidations. It's a classic post-rally correction. As at McHugh19 wisely noted, not the end, just a correction. Stay calm, adjust risk, don't trade emotions. These moments are prime for accumulation, echoing 2017 when XRP skyrocketed 36,000% on utility alone. Today's environment is even stronger, with regulatory clarity and institutional infrastructure in place. Here's where it gets exciting. Ripple just rolled out Ripple Prime, a fully regulated US spot prime brokerage platform for digital assets like XRP and RLUSD. This means seamless OTC trading for institutions with no slippage, cross-margining against CME futures, and backed by a $3 trillion clearing powerhouse from their hidden road integration. At Your Crypto Dog captured the vibe perfectly. US institutions now trade XRP and RLUSD spot OTC on a single desk. Liquidity tsunami incoming. Combine this with Evernorth deploying XRP as treasury-grade collateral and the explosion in real-world asset RWA tokenization on the XRPL. Think AMMS and NFTs, enabling everything from bonds to real estate. The Fed's $29.4 billion boost lowers barriers for banks to dive in, creating a flywheel of demand. Community reactions are pouring in. At Jacolau2303 shared, Black Swan capitalist Versan Aljara explained, higher XRP price is not just desirable, it is necessary. Liquidity theory aligned with XRP's original design, and at Ripple_X added, XRP bulls are charging hard. Fed rate cuts plus ETF hype could blast us past $3.35 toward that all-time high $3.66. These takes align with Ripple's Q3 report showing ODL volumes up 220% year over year, spanning 90-plus countries. Analogy time. It's like upgrading from a clunky old freight train to a hyperloop for money movement. Faster, cheaper, and scalable. Now, tackling common myths head-on to clear the FUD. If you're scrolling X and seeing doubts, you're not alone. Myth 1, XRP is too centralized. Reality, the XRPL is decentralized with over 150 independent validators. Ripple controls just 6%. Myth 2, endless supply dumps from escrows. Nope, 1 billion unlocks are predictable, with most re-escrowed or absorbed by growing ODL demand. At BeakRye40752 put it well. Not the end. We must win. It's just a matter of time. Myth 3. Fed caution crushes crypto. Counterpoint. This liquidity injection favors efficient assets like XRP. As at Bull Runners HQ emphasized, if you own XRP, Trump and the Fed triggered the reset December 1st. Wait, scratch that last bit. Focusing on policy, not politics. The alignment is clear. Building to predictions. With ISO 2022 deadlines on November 22nd, potentially mandating XRP for banks, as at Awake Patriot 111 tweeted, ISO 2022, November 22nd global deadline. Banks will hold XRP. Coinpedia forecasts a short-term relief to $2.70, with $5 plus on ETF approvals. What if scenarios? If the Clarity Act passes by November 26th, we could see $3 by month end. BlackRock's murmurs at Ripple swell 2025 add fuel. Imagine $10 billion inflows. Chainalysis data backs XRP's 70% efficiency edge, driving real FOMO, quick CTAs to amp engagement. 1. Smash like if this analysis hits home. Boosts the algorithm. 2. Comment your year-end XRP target. $5? $10? Let's spark debates. 3. Subscribe and bell on for real-time updates. 4. Share with a skeptic. Check this. XRP's future is now. Disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult professionals. Recapping the wins. From Fed liquidity to Ripple Prime and ETF hype, XRP's utility is unmatched. 30 billion plus in ODL volume, RWA growth, and a passionate community. We're bridging the unbanked to trillions in efficient flows. The revolution is here, and the upside is immense. Jeff signing off. Stay vigilant, stay united, and let's ride this wave to new heights. See you soon.